Hi, Chef Robert here for Mushrooms in Schools. In this video, I'm going to talk about some ways to feature mushrooms in breakfast recipes paired with eggs. These recipes are, of course, great for breakfast, but they're also a great addition to your breakfast for lunch menu. This is another trend in schools. All-day breakfast or brunch for lunch. Let's face it, sometimes the lunch times start during traditional breakfast times, and eggs are also a great vegetarian option. They are a blank page that loves all flavors and are found in all cuisines. So, marrying mushrooms with eggs can satisfy students and also increase your vegetarian menu offerings. Our first concept is an omelet bar. Now this can take many forms depending on your school setup and labor. But in Oyster River, New Hampshire, they really love omelets and have a made-to-order omelet bar. In one skillet they cook their eggs, while in another they heat the other ingredients which students choose. Oyster River's bar offers mushrooms, tomatoes, spinach, peppers, onions, sausage, ham, and even hot peppers for students that like some heat in their omelets. Omelets are finished with cheese and served with a side of hash browns and toast for a complete meal. If you don't have the ability to offer a made-to-order omelet bar, you can still take this idea and make it your own. Maybe you offer students omelets you've made in advance and then can select from a variety of prepared toppings like sauteed mushrooms, spinach, etc. Let's go over another recipe that takes this idea further with some speed scratch cooking techniques, using already prepared products and adding certain ingredients to it. It's a great way to still offer high quality product to students that can incorporate USDA foods, be cost and time effective, allow you to give the taste and appearance of being freshly prepared. I'm going to demonstrate this using a couple of USDA products. I will be using the omelet with Kobe cheese, fresh mushrooms, frozen peppers and onions, and frozen spinach. When this product is completely assembled, you will have a gourmet-looking lunch to serve your clientele. To stuff the prepared omelets, we lay out the omelets the day before on parchment-lined sheet pans in a single layer. Cover with another parchment sheet and refrigerate overnight. The next morning, they will be thawed and pliable and ready for your creativity. Make sure your vegetables are well drained, especially the spinach. You can mix the vegetables all together, season lightly, and then stuff 1/4 cup into each. Fold down the top and bake as directed. If you like, you can add a little more cheese, our favorite food glue. Adding fresh herbs after cooking is both a garnish and another layer of flavor. You can also incorporate mushrooms into your breakfast sandwich and burritos. And we have some great recipes on mushroomsinschools.com to do just that. Finally, quiche is another great way to offer a breakfast recipe, either at breakfast or lunch, either with meat or as a vegetarian option. Loudoun County, Virginia prepares them in individual baking bowls for an incredibly upscale look and quick service. Many are doing a crustless quiche and serving it with a roll or even a croissant. When using liquid eggs, allow the dry seasoning to bloom by mixing in dry seasoning first and then add whatever vegetable combination you like. If you are using frozen liquid eggs, allow several days to thaw prior to using. Also, do not be concerned by some separations in the container. Just whisk when preparing. I mix my liquid ingredients in a 6-quart measuring cup, whisking the eggs and milk and seasoning well. The next step is to ensure your ingredients are dry. Excess moisture will lead to a wet finished product. When making your quiche, layer the ingredients into the pans with vegetables and/or meat, followed by the cheese, and then cover with seasoned liquid eggs. When making the quiche, consider adding flavors to egg mix with some hot sauce or cayenne pepper. Some use well-drained Rotel tomatoes and sriracha sauce. A classic recipe with spinach, mushrooms, onions can be prepared using frozen, thawed vegetables or fresh or a combination of fresh and frozen, depending on the season. The thin sliced fresh mushrooms are great here. Again, most directors I talk to do not credit the ingredients other than eggs and cheese for the protein, and use the vegetables and meat for flavor and texture. And every little bit of extra veggies that students eat is great. Eggs are also a partner with mushrooms in the on-trend ramen bowls discussed in our other videos. As you can see, mushrooms once again are a versatile ingredient for just about any part of the day, even breakfast. I hope you will offer some of these recipes in your schools. Thanks for watching.